How to turn on or turn off dim wallpaper when dark mode is on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to scroll down, then tap on wallpaper and style. From here, we scroll down, then tap on dim wallpaper when dark mode is on. Tap on the toggle to turn it on or switch it off. Here, when this is turned on, it will dim the wallpaper when dark mode is on. So if we turn on dark mode, then the wallpaper should be dim. So we're going to display and turn on dark mode. Here, the wallpaper will be dimmer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.